My name is Vera, and I am a food crew member with the Lowell Public School System, and I'm here in the Mill City Grows kitchen to talk about two things. First, summer's ending, and I know it's really sad, but that means school is starting soon, which I'm super excited for. And then second, peach tomato salsa. I'm really excited to share this month's Harvest of the Month, which includes tomatoes grown right here at Mill City Grows, and peaches grown at Brookdale Farm, located in Hollis, New Hampshire. And using these two ingredients, we're going to make peach tomato salsa today. So I want you to roll up your sleeves like I did, wash your hands, and let's get ready to make some peach tomato salsa.
And here is the recipe for the peach tomato salsa. You can pause the video right now to look at the recipe, but we will be going over the ingredients and the steps all together.
Look at how colorful and pretty all our ingredients are. So we're just going to run through the ingredients for our peach tomato salsa. First, 3 tomatoes, 1 red onion, 1 peach, half a red pepper, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, and salt and pepper. Alright, before we get started, I want to make sure everyone has washed their hands before we start prepping for the tomato peach salsa. And right here, I have this beautiful peach, and we're just going to cut it right down the middle. And I have gloves on right now because I'm making this tomato peach salsa for our friends. And we're just going to dice this up. And peaches are my favorite fruit in the summer just because of how sweet and juicy they are. Alright, and next we have our beautiful tomatoes right here, and we're going to dice them up just as well. And I just also want to warn you and let you know that it's really important to have an adult help you with this step right over here. Knives can be pretty sharp, so I just wanted to make sure everyone is staying safe. Alright, let's get started on our peach tomato salsa. We have here our 3 tomatoes chopped, and also our peaches chopped. 1 red onion diced, half a red bell pepper diced, a tablespoon of garlic minced, and also 2 tablespoons of cilantro. So we're going to take our bowl of chopped tomatoes and peaches, and we're going to add lime to it. So about 1 lime equals about a tablespoon of juice, depending on how juicy your lime is actually. Alright, beautiful. We're gonna add that lime in there. This one's a really juicy lime, so we'll only need 1 today. Okay, then next we're gonna add our red onions, our red bell peppers, our garlic, our cilantro, and here's what our bowl looks like right now, not mixed. And then we're going to finally just mix it up really gently. Look how beautiful this looks. It smells so good. I wish you all could smell it. So here we have our peach tomato salsa all mixed up together. and you can totally eat it right now, but I like to leave it in the fridge for about half an hour to let all the flavors marinate and get to know each other. And before I throw it in the fridge, I just want to say thank you so much for helping me make my peach tomato salsa. And I'm really excited for you to try it at home as well. Bye!